Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a big knotless braid with beads at the end, so stay tuned guys. Please subscribe, like and share, and tell me what you think about this video down in the comment section, and stay tuned for the finished look. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.